Hello, loves, and welcome to the Open Invitation Fall Tablescape Challenge. Our hosts, Kimberly from Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and Kenya from Kenya Decor Corner, challenge us to create a fall tablescape that includes a fall DIY project and share it with you guys, our viewers. I have 2 DIYs to share, so let's get started with those right now. Here are the items that I will be using in this DIY. E6000 glue that you can purchase at Dollar Tree or any of your craft store. 2 ceramic saucers that you can purchase at a hardware store. They're very inexpensive. A wooden candlestick holder. They have 2 different sizes at Michael's. And black spray paint. Once the pieces are painted, we will glue the ceramic saucers on the bottom as a base of the candlestick and at the top of the candlestick for the platform. So this concludes this portion of the collaboration. The DIY stand is complete. Everything is adhered and cured for the last 24 hours. I gave one more spray of the spray paint to coat it properly, and now it's ready for the tablescape. The next DIY, you will need glitter, Mod Podge, leaves, a tray, sponge brush, and sealer. Most of these things you can find at the Dollar Tree. Place the leaf in the tray and liberally apply the glue using the sponge brush. Make sure you cover the leaf completely. Sprinkle the glitter liberally until the leaf is covered. Shake off the excess. Let it dry completely for an hour. Use a sealer to seal the glitter to the project once it's dry, and then let it dry for about 30 minutes to another hour. Here's my tablescape for this collaboration. Very different approach to what I normally create. Normally you'll see a island styling or vignette for the coffee table or cafe table, but I've already completed those videos. I wanted something different for the foyer, and I was going for a little glam with the fur and stripe, and this is what I came up with. So let's take a closer look, starting with the seating area. Before we get started, you will see several elements used throughout my home decor. Striped pillows, black lines, pine cones, and more. Starting with the seating area is a white leather chair accessorized with a mink pillow and a black glittered and rhinestone pumpkin that I DIY'd previously, just to add more glam to the space. Next, we move down to the pillows. Here's a different approach I added to give the space more texture and eye candy. Fur, white mink, and black and white stripes beautifully contrast for the floor space. Then you will see this black mink blanket that is dropped and puddled on the floor to add another luxurious element and a different approach to decorating a console table. The mirror console table is gorgeous. A piece of eye candy that adds a level of bling without the bling, if you get what I'm saying. There's mirrored all over it, even down at the legs. Most of you know I'm not a glitz kind of person, but the glam I can do. I added with this beautiful 5-foot long console table with 2 drawers and glass knobs. The floor arrangement is created with 2 vases. The smaller vase is striped with black ribbon to mimic the black border on the curtains and to bring in those black lines throughout the home decor. It's filled with white stones from Dollar Tree to show those black lines inside the large vase. Branches are real and faux branches, and to top things off, the very large white leaves that's attached to the branches sparingly to give it the fall extra touch for the floor arrangement. The branches are arranged so that it look windblown and blown to one side of the vase. I made sure that the arrangement was balanced by having pine cones arranged on the left side of the floor arrangement. Another bling accessory is this gorgeous mirrored box filled with the large glitter pine cones and adorned with these gorgeous glittered leaves. Now these DIY leaves I just add as a bonus. I love the black, white, and the tan. The tan leaf with the white glitter adds another color element to the black and white setting. The black and white striped books are used as a stand for the mirror that's cleverly inserted as a detail used throughout my home. Next, we have 3 glass pumpkins showcased on different levels using black stands. The glass pumpkins really shines when the sun comes through this window, but I like it best when it's at night like now. The black backdrop gives the pumpkin front stage with no competing sunlight. Love this metal stalk on top with etching design. And lastly, these black stands you've seen before in previous videos, but this one right here is my DIY stand. That is my challenge in this collaboration. I love the way the silver pumpkin fits nicely on top. Well, that would do it for this collab, my friends. I hope you received some ideas for your fall tablescapes and seen a new twist on how to style a console table. Don't forget to check out the other participants in this collaboration. The link to the playlist is in the description box. Thank you, my sisters, for this collaboration. It was fun. Now I'm going to sit back and enjoy the playlist with some inspiration from my talented YouTube sisters. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!